The goal for broiled salmon is a crisp browned outside and a tender inside. Set your broiler to high and give it plenty of time to heat up. Salmon is prone to sticking, so we use foil to line the pan. And broiling skin side down ensures that none of the delicious fish is lost to the pan. First, broil for about 3 minutes, until the salmon is opaque. We're brushing on a simple maple soy glaze. Since the salmon had a head start, the glaze won't burn. Cook the salmon about 10 minutes per inch of thickness. Check for doneness in the thickest part of the fillet. Pair this broiled maple soy glazed salmon with Columbia Winery Chardonnay. Its fruity flavors complement the salmon's mild sweetness.